Hello, my name's Andrew and I'm going to show you around Cardiff Cycle Workshop and tell you a bit about what we do. So come in. Here's where it all happens. We start off coming to the workshop. We've got two repair bays where we, just like any other bike shop, people can bring their bike in and we repair and service them. Big part of what we do is bike recycling. So here you'll see where it all happens. People donate bikes. We have 4 volunteers a day working on them. And then on a Friday, we open up our shutters. You can see all the bikes waiting there. They're all bikes that have been completed. And we have a sale every Friday afternoon. All our bikes fully serviced and come with a 3-month warranty. The whole purpose of our social enterprise is to get more people cycling more often. And we do that 4 ways. One is repairs, one is recycling. Another one, we'll go upstairs and see the training room. And we also do something called Dr. Bike, where we take our mechanics outside the building. We visit businesses, universities, events, and we repair people's bikes. One of the reasons we started the Cardiff Cycle Workshop was there wasn't a bike recycling place based in Cardiff, nor was there a place, in fact, in the whole of Wales that you could come and do bicycle maintenance courses and get that sort of training if you wanted to get into the bike industry. So we felt it was a good opportunity to start something so people, instead of having to travel to Manchester or London or Bristol, could do something here in Wales. Up here you'll see these are customers' bikes awaiting repair. Along here we've got these all recycled wheels that we've taken off bikes we couldn't recycle, but we will use them in the process of recycling other bikes. And along here, these are all bikes that have been kindly donated by the people of Cardiff that are waiting to be recycled. And here again, tyres that have been taken off bikes that we can't recycle, but they will go onto bikes that we will be recycling. Okay, so let's go into the training room where we run a variety of bike maintenance training courses. Customer base we serve is quite broad. Obviously, anyone wanting a bike repaired, that would be a regular cyclist. But when it comes to bike sales, our customers are really people who might be cycling for the first time, or their kids have started cycling and they want to go riding with their children. So it's often people either returning to cycling or quite new to cycling. So that's quite interesting. The people doing training courses, again, a variety. It could just be the home mechanic, people who want to work on their own bikes. But in the higher end courses, it's often people who have to look after their bikes as part of their job or looking to actually work in the bike industry. Okay, we'll just go into our breakout area through here, where this is where volunteers or trainees can have a break and a bit of lunch, and we've got a bit of a bike library there. Our income streams, we're totally a self-funding social enterprise. Like with any small business, every year your costs go up, your payroll goes up, there's inflation. So always looking at ways that we can improve efficiency, that we can grow the business, ways that we can do things better. Other challenges, you're always short of space when you're running a bike project. So looking at better storage. Is there a more efficient turnaround of bikes coming in and out, making sure we're just storing the right bikes. But one thing we are very grateful for is that we wouldn't exist without the generosity of the general Cardiff population donating bikes, and also our volunteers. We have 20 volunteers in every week that do an incredible sort of hard and skillful job in bike recycling. So that's it from Cardiff Cycle Workshop. Do check out our website, Cardiff Cycle Workshop, and obviously on the socials. Thank you.